Hi, Fast Track students. I just wanted to reach out to you in person so that you kind of get an idea of what's going to be happening as we move through your Fast Track class. So first off, congratulations. You made it one whole week. That's actually a lot in Fast Track terms, and you only have 5 more to go, so that's not so bad, right? Please remember that you are required, if you do not have an A or B on a Monday for the week, to be in the lab for 4 hours for the week, okay? That is a requirement for Fast Track students. That's why it's a blended course, so that you can get help from a teacher, and you can have some of that in-person time and have some dedicated time to work in your course, okay? I will always message you, hopefully by about 8 a.m. Every Monday to let you know whether or not you're required to come in for lab hours, okay? If you are one of the people that I have that did not make their hours last week, you have an opportunity to make them up this week. But if you do not make up these hours this week, you will be dropped from Fast Track, okay? It's very, very serious. We do want to make sure that you are getting in for those lab hours. You may also get an official warning about this coming from the Deer Valley Online Learning Program. I'm just letting you know now in case you see that come through. Please remember you can make up those hours this week. So if you missed your 4 hours, that means, and if you are not passing with an A or a B, that means that you would have to do 8 hours this week. If you are passing with an A or B and you missed your 4 hours last week, okay, that means that you only have to make up your 4 hours this week, okay? Just so you know. Please remember that we have lab time Tuesdays and Thursdays at Barry Goldwater High School from 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. And we have open lab times at Boulder Creek from 3 to 7 p.m. on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, okay? But there's nearly always a teacher in the Goldwater Online Learning Program lab at Goldwater High School, okay? So if you need to do your hours earlier, please reach out to me. I'll try and make sure that there's a teacher there for you. If it absolutely does not work out, we'll have to find another time. But as long as I know that you're coming, I'm pretty sure I can make sure that there is a teacher there, because we are all there on different days, and we want to make sure that we get time in to support you, okay? In case you're wondering when I will be at Goldwater this week, I'm not up at Boulder Creek this week, but I am up at Goldwater. I will be there Tuesday from 12 to 4, Wednesday from 9 to 11, and then we have a little meeting break from 11 to 12, and then I'll be there from 12 to 4 later that day. And then Thursday, I'll be there from 8 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. I would love to see you, love to make arrangements so that I could actually get to see my students for Fast Track for sure, okay? Keep up the good work. I'm very proud of what you've already put forth this week. It's been really great. Some of you have just been nailing it with those due dates too. Keep using those pacing calendars. Remember, I had them in your first module. I also had them in your announcement, and I emailed them out to you, okay? Those help you plan ahead, plan your time, because you're doing a lot of work in a very short amount of time, okay? Please reach out if you have any questions. As always, I'm a real person, as you can see. Even though I look like I'm in a horror film, that's because I won't turn on another light because I don't want to wake up my kids because it's like 6 o'clock. All right. Anyways, let me know if there's anything I can do to help you guys out, and I hope you guys have a really great week. Thanks, guys.